2016 Ford transom van and the expansion valve. When you wonder why it costs so much, sometimes you got to do all of this. I didn't release the heater hose core so that way the dash doesn't come out. So you see the steering wheel's not out, it's just dropped down to the ground. Pull everything out. I like to tie it up and up. You got this little room and it lets you work. You don't have to pull the whole entire dash completely out just to do this little job. And as you see everything, it's all in perfect order. Alright, this is Mike with Pacific Tech. The other video of dismantling this would be shown, but this is AC expansion valve, and this is what we got to do. So this is what I mean. It's putting a little pressure and pulling right there. You can release it from the neck, but it has the V over here. If not, pull the whole entire heater coil line straight through.